Thanks for tuning in to another video by CCTV Camera World. My name's Ray, I'm the manager. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to unbind your AvaEye NVR that you purchased from CCTV Camera World. What does binding mean? If you're using the AvaEye app to connect one of our AvaEye recorders or cameras, when you log in initially to the app, if you created a email account on AvaEye, you entered in your email address and then set a password, you created a user account on AvaEye that's in the cloud. And then when you scan the QR code, such as this one right here, you basically register this recorder to your AvaEye account using your email address. So what that does is it binds that recorder or that camera to your email address using that email address on AvaEye in the cloud. For whatever reason you want to share that NVR or you want to unbind it, I'm going to show you how to unbind it. It's really easy. So this is for a recorder. For the cameras, the process is similar as well. So now let me show you how to unbind your NVR. So have your NVR like this connected to a monitor. I'm using VGA connection to a monitor right there. And I have a mouse connected to my NVR so I can operate it on the screen. So on the NVR, what you want to do is right-click on the mouse, press menu, and then put in the password, which is usually a backwards C. That's the default we set. Go to System, Network, Basic, click on P2P on the top right here. And then you'll see it says Add Without Sign Up, Snapshot, has a QR code. In the bottom here, it says Log Out. You want to press that button, Log Out. It asks for confirmation, press yes. And then it will change its device status to network connected. Please scan the QR code to add the device. Now I can scan this QR code, or you can, and then add it to another AvaEye mobile device, such as a phone or even the PC, to remote view into it. So it's not bound to your email address. That's pretty much it. Process is very similar if you're doing it through the web interface on the NVR or on an IP camera as well. Thanks for watching.
If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.